Welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How we all doing, guys? Hope we are good. So in today's video we are making egusi soup. So today's video is how to make your delicious egusi soup. Okay, your Nigerian egusi soup. So egusi soup is melon in English. So this is the melon that we are using. Okay, so later I will wash the melon and blend it. You can use it with dry, blend it dry. So here is our pumpkin leaf that I'm going to use. You can use bitter leaf. So I'm using dry pumpkin leaf. Here is our red oil, and here is I will take a bit of this tomato here. So here is our dry fish and our stock fish. Here is our pepper, dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper. Here is our salt to taste, our onion, and our crayfish, our locust beans, ogiliope, and our maggi to taste. So let me show you the meat I'm going to use. And also here is our fresh fish. I've steamed it already. So here is our beef that I'm using, and our also chicken I'm using in making this melon soup. So you can use any protein of your choice. So but this is what I'm going to use in making mine. So let's start. Before we start, I'm going to wash my hand and I will remove the meat from this pot because I'm going to use this pot. So let's begin. Okay, thank you. So guys, I'm going to add our oil now and allow it to hot for some time before adding our onion. Guys, our oil is so hot. I'm adding our onion. So here is our onion, and I'm going to allow it for some minutes and add our fresh tomato. So let me add our tomato. So I'm adding a little bit. So now I'm going to stir. And cover for like 5 minutes. So guys, let's check. So now I'm going to add our stock fish and our dry fish and stir, because we did not steam the stock fish. So I'm going to cover it now for some time also for it to boil very well before adding our egusi. So guys, it's time to add our egusi. So look at our blend egusi. So it's time for me to add it. So I'm going to cover it to boil very well. So now I'm going to add the meat and the stock. So I'm going to stir it now and allow it to boil very well. So I'm going to allow it to boil very well now. So let me cover. I'm going to add our fresh fish, and I'm going to stir. I'm also adding a vegetable. So this time I'm going to add I'm going to test and also add if there is any need of salt and Maggi. I'm going to add both now. Okay, I like adding my last. So let me test and check if I'm going to add more salt and Maggi. So now I'm going to add salt and Maggi because the crayfish and the locust beans, that is the obiliope. So I'm going to add our pepper now, our Maggi, and our salt. So I'm going to add salt now and also stir. So at this point, if you want to add a little bit of water, you can do so. Everywhere is messed up. I'm going to clean it later. So stir proper. Guys, please pardon me. I'm using one hand to hold my camera and also to stir. So that is why my camera is shaking. So let me cover for just. So guys, our soup is ready. Can you see? This is delicious Nigerian soup. I don't want to stir it too much so that the head of the fish will not get scattered. So thank you guys for watching.